What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today what we're going to do is we're going to unbox a very special care package from Boost Auto. I wasted no time getting this part for my Duramax this time. The last build I waited about a year before I ordered this part. I told myself that I didn't really need it because I already had it on the truck. Alright, cue the intro.
Go rock star, my girl, rock star. My girl, rock star. Man, I feel just like a rock star. My girl, rock star.
Alright, now we're back. Let's get started with the unboxing now. Boost Auto Parts. 2015.5 style tow mirrors. In my opinion, these look much better than the current tow mirrors that I have right now. And believe it or not, you get better visibility out of them. Last set of tow mirrors I had, they were actually like the eBay ones. So I should be able to tell you guys the quality difference between Boost Auto ones versus eBay ones. There it is. We got a koozie from Boost Auto Parts for them Bud Lights. And then we got some wiring harnesses right here. I do believe this is for your switchback. And then this is for your reverse lights, the LED reverse lights on the mirrors, the fuse adapter. Make sure to give them a follow on Instagram and Facebook too. But let's go ahead and check it out. Can you guys guess what I got? I already told you guys what I would get, but there she is. Chrome with black smoked out LEDs. This time I got the LED strips. So that is going to look nasty. That is going to look so good with the truck. And all you guys that hate on chrome, to be honest, I've always liked a little bit of chrome on trucks. And also because the truck I have right now is a Denali. If it wasn't a Denali, I'd black it out. I'd murder it out. Make it all black. But part of me, because it's a Denali, I want to keep a little bit of chrome. I am going to start getting rid of some chrome, but I'm not going to completely black it out because I think part of having a Denali is having a little bit of chrome. I'm actually very interested to see how much brighter these reverse lights are because the eBay ones are not bright at all. It would basically just kind of shine the doors, but it really didn't create any visibility for anything. So I have pretty high hopes for Boost Auto's LED reverse lights from the video that I watched from Back Row Diesel. Gotta say, these look much better than my previous ones. Just the LED strips on these, that makes a huge difference. I did get the switchback. So, I mean, this is going to be legit, you guys. Like, this is going to be legit. Looks like everything's already pre-installed. I don't think I'll have to take the mirrors apart to install the switchback. So, that's a good thing because I'm kind of lazy. I didn't want to do it. So, I'm really glad to see that it's already pre-installed. I can't wait to get this put on the truck. Got some decals, you guys. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to save up these decals for the truck meet on December 1st. Second box, same thing. Same wires. So that is it. Let's go ahead and put this on the truck. I already ran the wires through this side. But here it is. Versus, oh yeah, that looks so much better. And I'm so glad I went with the chrome too. With the Denali, process of popping off the door is a little bit different, but I think it's a little bit easier as well. You just pop off this part with the screwdriver, and then pop off this part with a screwdriver or flathead, and then pop off this part. And then there's going to be 2 bolts here, 1 bolt here, and then you're going to pop this off with a flathead as well. And then Once you do that, the door just basically pops off, and then there's 3 screws here, and then you're going to remove the old tow mirrors, and then we're going to put the new ones in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple of links down below. Dalton, TruckMaster, and Backroad Diesel, they all made videos that were very descriptive and very educational. So watch their video, because I'm not going to go into full detail on how to install everything and wire everything. So we got the door panel popped off. You are going to remove this foam and then undo 3 of these. Sorry, the sun is just beaming right now. So there's one here, then one down there, and then another one right there.
Nothing from nothing, need nothing. You gotta have something if you wanna be with me. Oh, baby. Nothing from nothing.
Got the old one out.
If you wanna be with me. Nothing from nothing, need nothing. You gotta have something.
Let's do a quick comparison between the old one and the new one. There you go. So I overall like newer style tow mirrors because it has that more of a square design, whereas this has more of a round design. I mean, you would know if you've ever had both tow mirrors. You get much more visibility out of the newer style than the older style.
To the rescue, rescue.
Now what we're going to do is we're going to wire up the wire for the reverse light, which you just plug and play into the wire from your tow mirrors. And then the tow mirror wire, I just ran it down, and then it goes into this slot right here. If you already had tow mirrors or any kind of mirrors, it just goes into the spot that you just unplugged your stock mirrors from, or your previous mirrors from. And then we're just gonna run this down. There's a little opening right there. Can't really see it. Opening right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to pop this open. Focus. Pop this open, and then run the wire through the boot, and then we're gonna run it under the dash all the way to the other side. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna push this part in, and then it'll pop out, and you'll know where it is, because if you look on the boot, just find the section that has this where it says push, and then just pops right out. Same with the top one. Alright, pop that back in, and then run this wire again through this hole, like that. Pop that back in. There you go. And we gotta figure out a way to run this wire down the dash. And then get it to the other side, just like that. Alright y'all, so here is the finished product at night. Y'all ready? There you go. Look at the switchback. It looks amazing. And then it's got the reverse light hooked up already. Ooh. Damn, those suckers are bright. There you go. That is awesome. That looks so good. So let's take a look at the tow mirrors in the daylight. So if I have the headlights on, the LED strips on the tow mirrors will turn on as well. If we turn the blinkers on, it switches to amber lights. There you go. White on this side, amber light on this side. Yeah, so I absolutely love the way these turned out. I'm keeping chrome. I'm not going to color match them black because, like I said, I've always liked chrome mirrors. So, yep, that is it for this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you made it this far, why not celebrate by hitting that subscribe button? And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.